If you want to install the iOS launcher on POCO M8 Pro, first of all we can open the Play Store. Over here in Play Store we're gonna go to search here at the bottom, then we can use the search field at the top, and of course we can type iOS launcher or maybe iPhone theme or something like that. And you should be able to find a bunch of different launchers, and you can of course try any of them, whichever you like the most, of course. In my case, I'm gonna choose this one and I'm gonna install this one. I'm gonna show you how to set up the launcher based on this specific example. But like I said, feel free to try anything else in case you don't like this one. So let's open the app. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime. We don't have to agree to location, but we can agree to contacts and everything else. And now over here, we can just simply go to make default launcher. There we go, we have an ad, so let's wait for it to be able to close. And then over here we should be able to press OK. Now we need to switch from the POCO launcher to the iOS launcher so that if you press the home button or if you go to the home screen, then you actually open the iOS launcher. There we go, now we can press got it in here and we have our custom iOS theme. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.